This site is the center of Co-op Sapporo's distribution operations in Hokkaido, Japan. Spread across 6 buildings, the site handles home deliveries to 1.9 million members and over 100 co-op stores. In 2024, Co-op Sapporo opened its newest facility on the grounds, the Ebetsu Frozen Center. This highly automated center delivers 1,500 products to 25,000 customers weekly, ensuring freshness and reliability. Mobile rack maximizes space with high-density storage, reducing footprint by nearly 50%. This secures a week's inventory, vital for stable supply during Hokkaido's harsh winter. The storage and retrieval of slow-moving goods is handled by a shuttle rack system that operates at -30 degrees Celsius, with goods delivered directly to picking stations in less strenuous temperatures. This approach reduces walking time and fatigue, while advanced picking systems integrated into the picking process enable fast, error-free order fulfillment. Fast-moving items are efficiently picked and collected using iNavi, together with a projection picking system. iNavi is a smart order collection system that speeds up picking and keeps operations running smoothly. The projection picking system works in tandem with iNavi to enable streamlined picking operations. It provides clear visual cues and automatic detection of picked items, eliminating the need for button presses. Medium-moving items are picked using the Spotlight picking system, which employs both Spotlight and voice prompts to guide operators. Visual guided picking systems like this create a seamless harmony between technology and human operators. Automation even extends to packing operations. Lights guide workers to place each order into the right shipping container, cutting errors to almost zero. To address labor shortages and make the most of limited human resources, the center integrates robots into several processes. At the container erecting stage, multiple robots automatically assemble folded shipping containers and feed them to the picking line. After packing, the containers are transferred to automatic stacking robots, eliminating physically demanding tasks for operators and enhancing overall efficiency. By combining cutting-edge automation with human expertise, the Ebetsu Frozen Center delivers high-precision, smart operations, setting new standards for the cold chain industry in Japan. This project sets the stage for Co-op Sapporo to roll out automation across its other facilities, taking its logistics to the next level.